Here is another mushroom, the Magpie Inkcap. The Magpie Inkcap is a type of inkcap mushroom that is native to areas of Australia and Europe. When it's young, it's usually that lighter whitish grayish color, and as it ages, that cap kind of crackles open, exposing that dark brown or blackish gray color underneath. It can somewhat easily be confused with other types of inkcap mushrooms, including my all-time favorite type of mushroom, the shaggy inkcap. There are some key differences. The shaggy inkcap is light-colored underneath the crackles on the cap, whereas the magpie inkcap is dark-colored underneath. And from what I can tell of these mushrooms, they have a less obvious ink dripping down like the shaggy ink caps do. It's less obvious and not as quite dramatic. Now this is kind of important because under certain conditions the shaggy ink cap is edible, however these guys are not edible. And while they're not super dangerous, they are slightly toxic and can cause gastrointestinal distress and make you have a very bad couple of days. Additionally, they also apparently taste pretty bad, so they're not one that you would want to eat anyways. Now, like other species of ink caps, this one does release its spores by the cap kind of disintegrating into this black ink. However, I couldn't really find any good images of that, so from what I can see, it's just a little bit less dramatic and interesting than other types of ink cap mushrooms.